When I got deep into music as a kid, it was because it kind of turned me around the path that I was going down, and I realized that I could do that for other people, so I decided that's what I wanted to do.
It was in a march down by the park and people had a lot to say. Meanwhile, the folks down by the coast are getting arrested by military. They're stealing men and women trying to live off the street and not their homes. Trying to take what's given, leaving children with not a damn place to go. War's not for me, have to disagree. War's a misery, ain't no victory on the wrong side of history.
Thank you to Mixdeity for having me, and if you guys haven't come down, you guys need to come check it out.